Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Life of Jenny. Make sure you like, share, and also subscribe. Leave all your post notifications on because every time I drop a video, y'all be notified. Hope each and everyone's having a blessed and beautiful day. Now today, as you can see by the title, I will be doing a cooking vlog. Now I haven't done a cooking vlog in a minute or so, but I will be doing one today. So today I will be making some chicken wings in the oven with some yellow rice. Now I don't have the gandules and I don't feel like going out to the store to get some, so I'm just gonna make plain old yellow rice with some olives. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right guys, so now I'm about to go start cooking. I did wash my meat first, so now I'm about to start seasoning. So I'm gonna show you my ingredients and what I'll be using on my meat. Now you can see I'm making some party wings. I do have 3 of my sazon. I do have my homemade sofrito that I made. I'm having garlic powder. Then I have the Goya seasoning with pepper. I do have the adobo, and then I also have, which one is this one? This is my onion powder. So now I'm about to go start seasoning up my meat. So let me go and get started. So as you can see, I just put the meat in the oven. So now I'm gonna make my yellow rice, and these are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make my yellow rice. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, one sazon. I got the little other sofrito, got the olives, the bacon, the onion, adobo, my other sofrito. Then I got the seasonal with pepper, and then I have the garlic. So now I'm gonna go get ready and start preparing for my yellow rice. I just finished making the yellow rice, as you can see. Now I'm gonna let it cook, let it dry out so I can turn it. The chicken wing is still, as you can see, the beeping is still cooking, and I will be back in a few to show y'all how everything is going, so stay tuned. All right guys, so I just finished cooking dinner. I'm gonna show y'all right now my yellow rice and my chicken in the oven. All right, there is my yellow rice with the olives. Like I said, I didn't put the what's that called, the gandules in, because I ain't had none and I ain't really want to go to the store. And this is my my meat. So I'm about to go now and eat my dinner. Thank y'all all for tuning in, watching the whole entire video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about my dinner. And I'll see you next time with another brand new video. Bye.